Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a guy check his watch, and for a second, you thought it was worth thousands? Here's the truth. It probably wasn't. There are watches under 200 euros that give off that same rich, refined look. And watch number 5? It's been called a tuxedo for your wrist. Hit subscribe if you're over 40 and want to wear pieces that look like money without spending it. Orient Bambino version 3. Some watches feel like they were made for a man over 40. The Orient Bambino is one of them. It looks sharp but not loud. It keeps things simple but not plain. That is hard to pull off, and this one does it well. The domed crystal is what catches your eye first. It curves just right, adding a soft, vintage look you usually see in dress watches 3 times the price. Underneath, you get a clean dial with slim hands, Roman numerals or baton markers, and a date window. Nothing extra, everything you need. Now here is something most people do not realize. This watch is automatic. That means no battery, just your movement keeps it ticking. There is something about that sweeping second hand that makes it feel richer, more thoughtful, and yes, more expensive. Have you ever looked at a watch and thought, that looks smart? This one does that, and it wears just as well with a blazer as it does with a sweater. To be completely honest, the Bambino is the kind of watch that makes you look like you thought things through, like you care without trying hard. Could you see yourself wearing this to a dinner out or a big meeting? Now here is the question. What if you want something a little different, something that stands out more on your wrist but still feels timeless? Seiko Tank SWR049. Most watches are round. That is not a bad thing, but it is common. The Seiko Tank is different. Its shape alone makes people stop and look. Rectangular, slim, and clean. This piece has a quiet confidence to it. The Roman numerals give it a classic, almost vintage feel. And the sword-shaped hands? Those are the small details that change everything. Together, they give the watch a feel that is straight out of a Cartier showroom, but for a fraction of the price. Does that make sense? Here is something wild. This is a quartz watch. That means it is low maintenance, accurate, and ready when you are. The Hardlex crystal protects the dial from scratches, and the size, under 40 millimeters, fits comfortably on most wrists, especially if you wear dress shirts often. Let me show you what that looks like in real life. You are wearing a suit, walking into a room, and the watch peeks out from under your cuff. It is not flashy, but it holds its own. That is power in silence. Would you go for a round case, or does this rectangular design speak to your style? Now let's say you want something bolder. Maybe you like the idea of something more rugged but still sharp. Something that works just as well on weekends as it does during the week. Invicta Pro Diver. Have you ever looked at someone's wrist and thought, wait, is that a Rolex? That is the kind of reaction the Invicta Pro Diver can get. It is bold, it is polished, and yes, it is automatic. This one is for the guy who likes something with presence. The case is solid, the bezel rotates, the crown feels sturdy. It wears like a proper dive watch, but here is what makes it special. The price does not match the look. It feels a lot more expensive than it is. It's powerful, right? Inside, you get a Seiko NH35 automatic movement. That is the same movement found in watches double the cost. It is reliable, smooth, and satisfying to watch. The bracelet, stainless steel. The water resistance, up to 200 meters. It is not just a looker, it holds up. Here's a surprising fact. Some owners have swapped the bracelet, added a leather strap, and worn it with dress clothes, and it works. To be completely honest, this watch is loud in the right way. It says you know your stuff, but you are not chasing trends. Which strap would you wear this on? Metal or leather? Tell me in the comments. If you are over 40 and want to build a sharp wardrobe without overspending, tap subscribe. We break down real products like these watches that help you look successful without chasing brands. Now here is a question. What if you want something more polished, a little dressier, but still modern and easy to wear every day? Casio Edifice EFB10 9D-1A VEF. Not all quartz watches look cheap. The Casio Edifice is proof. Here is what makes this one special. It has a sapphire crystal that is rare, under 200 euros. It keeps the glass clear and scratch-free, and it instantly makes the watch feel more high-end. But that is not all. The case is steel. The bracelet has weight. The whole design is clean, sharp, and balanced. No clutter on the dial. No weird color accents. Just a strong, modern look that goes with everything. Most people miss this part. This watch wears really well with business casual. Think dark denim, button-up shirt, and this on your wrist. It adds polish without trying to impress. You could also pull it off with a polo and blazer. The size, around 38.5 millimeters, is perfect for guys who want something that feels refined without being small. And the quartz movement means you set it once and it just works. Are you with me? A sapphire crystal alone at this price is already a win. But combined with this kind of design, that is smart style. Would you keep it on the bracelet or swap it out for leather? Curious to hear your take. Now let's say you want something formal, but with a little flair. What if your next watch looked like a tuxedo for your wrist? Seiko 5 SNKL23. The Seiko 5 SNKL23 is known as the tuxedo dial, and once you see it in the light, you will know why. The black and white dial is glossy, clean, and sharp. It catches light just right, without looking flashy. That balance? Rare. Let me break it down. You get a polished bezel, brushed case, and slim Dauphine hands. There is also an exhibition case back, so you can actually see the automatic movement inside. Most watches in this price range hide that. Seiko lets it shine. Size matters here. At 38 millimeters, this watch slips under your cuff with ease. It is not bulky. It is not showy. It is just right. And because it is automatic, that smooth secondhand sweep gives it a feel you cannot get with quartz. Here is something you might not know. Men who wear this watch often get asked about it. Why? Because it looks expensive, and most people do not know it costs under 140 euros. Have you ever needed a watch that works at a wedding and at work? This is the one. Would you keep it on the steel bracelet or go full dress mode with a leather strap? Let me know below. Now, what if you wanted something more modern, something with a bit more edge but still clean enough to wear every day? Vincero Chrono S2. Most chronographs are either too loud or too cheap looking. This one strikes the balance. The Vincero Chrono S2 is clean, confident, and well-sized. But here is where it stands out. The materials. It is made with 316L stainless steel, which gives it that weighty, high-quality feel. And yes, it has a sapphire crystal. That matters. This version, the gunmetal and walnut combo, looks rich, period. The dial has just the right amount of detail. Subdials sit cleanly. The layout is smart. The color contrast? Strong, but not loud. This is the kind of watch that people notice, but they cannot quite place. That is what makes it powerful. Are you with me? Let me show you what that looks like. You are out at lunch. Someone spots the watch and asks, "What is that?" That moment? That is when you know you chose well. It runs on quartz, which means you get precision. No winding, no fuss, just wear it and go. And at 40 millimeters, it is the perfect size for men who want presence, but not bulk. To be completely honest, this one punches way above its price point. Be honest, would this watch earn you a second look? Drop your answer below. Now imagine something different. No subdials, no shine, just pure vintage charm. Could something small, simple, and hand-wound still feel rich? Timex Marlin 34 millimeters hand-wound. Have you ever worn something that felt like it had a story? That is the Timex Marlin. This one is all about old-school charm. Small case, clean dial, no distractions, just time, the way it used to be told. Here is something you might not believe. This watch is hand-wound. That means you turn the crown to power it. For some men, that is a daily habit that feels grounding, like part of a morning routine. The dial is soft and simple, almost like something out of the 60s. The acrylic crystal has a warm look to it. Yes, it can scratch, but here is the thing. You can polish it. And that soft reflection, that is part of the charm. Do you get it? The size is 34 millimeters. Now that may sound small, but for dress watches, it works, especially on mature wrists. It slides under any cuff, never gets in the way, and looks thoughtful, not trendy. Wait till you hear this. Many collectors keep this watch as their go-to for formal events. Why? Because it never feels overdone. Would you wear a hand-wound watch, or is that too old school for your taste? Let's hear your take. Now here is something worth thinking about. With so many great options, how do you choose the one that fits your style and daily life best? Have you reached the age where style means more than showing off? Do you choose watches that say something without saying too much? If you are building a wardrobe that reflects wisdom, confidence, and smart choices, this list was made for you. Tap like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell if you want more hands-on guides for men who dress with intent, not impulse.